You don't need to be a dancer to be a brilliant dance teacher. You can explore dance with your class by watching examples of fantastic dance online. It could be a live performance from the Royal Ballet Company or an interesting contemporary music video. Actively engage your learners whilst they watch these productions by asking them to find a variety of dance movements in the pieces. Look out for jumps, turns, stretching, twisting, travelling, rolls, symmetrical and asymmetrical body shapes. One idea is to provide a bingo card of all these key vocabulary to look out for as they watch. Introduce adjectives and encourage the learners to use describing words like quick, slow, heavy, light, sudden, smooth, strong, repetitive, soft, robotic, flowing, staccato, and lyrical. You could display this specific dance vocabulary on a wall or on flashcards, so the learners become familiar with each word and are confident to use them in your lessons. On top of looking for the specific movements in the piece, encourage the learners to discuss the style or emotions in the piece. What is the atmosphere or story? How does the tempo, music, costumes or props, lighting or staging add to the meaning of the dance? By asking the learners to analyse and reflect on what they see, the building blocks are being put in place for creating dances of their own.